Hi guys, it's Cheryl. Today I'm gonna make a Western brunch called Shakshuka. I buy the capsule, tomato, garlic, and onion, and I think that's enough. Oh, also some mushroom. I think it's really easy because I just need to chop everything and put them in the pan. You know, Western brunch, not that hard. Okay. I'll just start chop the garlic. Hey, my chopping is so bad. I should put all of them in a plate. And mushroom. Now this. Oh my god. Is this his baby? Recently the calcium is so expensive. Also the tomato. I won't buy them unless I want to eat this dish so much. I think I will leave this because they're too much. For the tomato. Many people use tomato can, so I think I need to like make them look more paste. Okay, I think that's all I need. I like the color.
Later.
Now I will start cooking with my favorite pan. Turn on the light. No, turn on the fire. Add some oil. Onion first. Then some garlic. Capsule. Tomato. Cumin powder. That is the spirit of this. I will add some tomato sauce since I don't have any canned tomato.
Later. Later.
Looks so healthy, and I will add some coriander. I'm gonna eat it with my bread.